Good day, I am Joseph M. Ayala. So, here, these are the flower-shaped model subgroups. So now, first we have improper subgroup. So, here, ito yung kabuuan ng table natin. So, when we say improper subgroup, ito yung mismong table natin na kung saan lahat ng element natin is kasali. So, proper subgroup, and then last we have trivial subgroup. So, for our improper subgroup, we have Math Genius Rock 24. So, ito yung mga elements ng improper subgroup. Yung M is equal to M, A, T, H, G, E, N, I, U, S, R, O, C, K, 4. So, ito yung table niya. So, here is the table of our improper subgroup. So, today, gagawin natin is i-consider din natin yung tatlong para maging or matawag na subgroup yung isang subgroup natin. So dito, since alam naman na natin dun sa project 1 na it is associative, has identity, and has inverses. So, um, masasabi natin na this improper subgroup is a subgroup or group siya. So now, punta na tayo dun sa ating sub or proper subgroup. So for our proper subgroup, meron pa tayong tinatawag na mga order of the subgroup. Yung dito sa model, you have order of 8, order of 4, and order of 2. So now, dito muna tayo sa order of 8. Our order of 8, we have MAE, GI, and T. So now, this table is, or this subgroup is well defined and close siya. So now, titignan natin kung associative ba to. So, based sa project 1, we need to rotate the table 180 degrees to see the associativity of the table. So, now, ngayon, babaliktad natin siya ng 180 degrees. Na natin siya, then titignan na natin kung ano yung mga need nating i-interchange para magbalik siya sa original position niya. So, for the column, we need to interchange the MNI, GNN, NNH. For our row, we have to interchange the row HNA, ENT, HNG, and HNN. So, ngayon, after natin siyang ma-rotate and ma-interchange, ganito na yung itsura niya. So, ngayon, titignan natin kung ito bang mga nasa loob is same lang dun sa ating original. So, you can pause the video para makita kung talagang same lang. And then, for me, and na-observe ko na same lang naman yung outcome nilang dalawa. So, this is associative. So, now, pupunta na tayo sa identity nila and sa inverse. So, we have identity M, then the inverses are M is equal to M, inverse of A is equal to G, inverse of E is equal to T, inverse of G is equal to A, inverse of H is equal to N, inverse of I is equal to I, inverse of N is equal to H, and inverse of T is equal to E. We will go to our subgroup 3 or our M sub 3. So, this subgroup consists 8 elements also. So, we have M, I, E, T, SU to 4. So now this table is well defined and it is a close. So now we have to test its associativity. So rotate ulit natin ng 180 degrees. Then we have to interchange the column U and 2 and E and I. So para naman sa row, we have to interchange the T and I, T and E, 2 and S, and 2 and U. Since na-interchange natin sila, titignan natin kung yung outcome nito or yung dito sa loob is parehas sila dito sa kabila. So yung ito, itong mga nasa loob na to, isitignan natin kung parehas pa sila dito sa kabila. So, you can pause ulit the video para makita. And for me, ano naman siya, is same naman siya. So, this subgroup is associative. So, next slide. So, now we have identity M. Then, we have inverses. So, inverse of M is equal to M. Inverse of I is equal to I. Inverse of E is equal to T. Inverse of T is equal to E. Inverse of S is equal to S. Inverse of U is equal to U. Inverse of 2 is equal to 2. And inverse of 4 is equal to 4. So, lahat ng inverse niya is or yung lahat ng element is sarili niya yung inverse niya. So, now, next slide tayo. So, here, we have order 4. So, meron na tayong, dito na tayo sa order of 4. So, for our M sub 4 or subgroup 4, subgroup number 4 is M-I-E-T. So, now, titignan natin kung associative ba tong subgroup na to. So, we have to interchange the column M and I and row E and T. So, ngayon, since na-interchange na natin, tignan natin kung parehas pa sila. Ayan. Ayan, ito pala. Sorry. Tignan natin kung parehas pa yung outcome nilang dalawa. So, parehas naman sila. So, this table and or this subgroup is associative. So, for its identity, we have identity element M. So, for the inverses, we have M is equal to M, inverse of I is equal to I, inverse of E is equal to E, T, inverse of T is equal to E. So, bakit na nga ba I is inverse of I is equal to I? Kasi, doon sila, yung outcome nila is letter M or yung identity natin. Kaya, yung I is inverse niya, yung sarili niya. Ganun din yung E, inverse niya yung T kasi yung outcome nilang dalawa, pag pinag-operate sila is yung identity nila. So, ganun. Then, okay, next, subgroup tayo. So, since um, M sub 5 is M sub 5 is um, isomorphic to our M sub 4, so this is also an associative. So, ngayon, na-satisfy na yung first condition, ngayon is meron din tayong identity. Yan, identity, M ulit. Ayan, then, our inverses are M is equal to M, I is equal to I, U is equal to U, 4 is equal to 4. For M sub 6 naman, so this M sub 6 is also an associative. Then, our identity is M. Then, inverses are M is equal to M, I is equal to I, S is equal to S, 2 is equal to 2. So, this is a group or this is a subgroup. Tayo sa order of 2 na mga subgroup. So, we have here M sub 7. So, element M and U. So, ito yung original. Then, we need to, ano nga, rotate it 180 degrees. Then, sa tabi niya, nasa tabi niya na yung, um, rotate 180 degrees niya. So, wala na tayong need na interchange. Magkamukha na sila nang wala pang interchange. So, this is associative. Then, for identity, letter M ulit or element M ulit. Then, for inverses, M is equal to M, U is equal to U. So, since subgroup order number 2 or order of 2 subgroups are isomorphic to each other, so this lahat to is associative silang lahat. So, ngayon titingnan na lang natin yung identity nila and yung inverses nila. So, for our M sub 8, which is the element M and element S, element N and element S, identity is M, inverse S is M is equal to M, S is equal to S. Then, M sub 9, element M and R, identity, element M, then inverse S, M is equal to M, R is equal to R. For our M sub 10, M is equal to K, or I'm sorry, element M and element K. Then identity, element M, then the inverses are M is equal to M, K is equal to K. So for our M sub 11, we have element M and 4, then our identity is M, then our inverses is M is equal to M and 4 is equal to 4. Next, we have M sub 12. Ayun, ganun lang din siya, tsaka sa M sub 13. Sa M sub 12, M is equal to M, yung inverses niya, and I is equal to I. Then, sa M sub 13 naman, M is equal to M, then 2 is equal to 2, yung inverses niya. So, we have here trivial subgroup, which is the M sub 14 or the element M. So, this is the, we have here sa other side the lattice diagram or sa iba is lattice diagram. So, ito yung connected or pagkaka-connect ng mga subgroups natin. So, yun lang muna for today. So, again, I am Joseph Emayala. Thank you for watching.